How frustrating is it when you shoot video and you realize in post that it's crooked? Well, I have a simple, easy way for you to fix that, and I'll walk you through it step by step. We're going to be using Adobe Premiere Pro for this tutorial, and it's going to help you get those videos looking professional and polished.
Be sure to stay to the end of the video for a free gift and a bonus tutorial. Here is some video that I shot. You can see in the video that's off just by a hair, and that's going to bother some people when they're watching it, and they might bounce. So how can I correct that? Especially when it's not like I can go fix the cameras because it's already been shot. I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. The first thing we're going to start with is knowing where our horizontal lines are, and that's going to begin at the top menu under View. When we click on View, we have the drop-down menu. We're going to go a little over halfway down and click on Add Guide. We're going to type in 33 and then hit OK. And it doesn't matter at this point if you have vertical or horizontal. The only thing that you need to make sure of is that you have percent. So we go back up to View, we do Add Guide, we type in 33, and this time we can go horizontal. We go back up to View, Add Guide, and now we're going to do 66 to View, Add Guide, go to 66 again, but this time we will make sure that that's going vertical, and click OK. And now we have a grid system, so we have something to follow when we're looking at this. Now the next thing we need to do is change the rotation. So we need to change how that's sitting. And this is done in the effects panel. If you don't have the effects panel up and you can't see it, odds are it's because you haven't clicked on a section of the video that you want to edit. And this is important. When you're editing your video, you want to make sure that the section that you want to edit is highlighted, because whatever section is highlighted is the one that you're going to be editing, not necessarily where your playhead is at. And I've made that mistake more than once. So let's get started. We've got our playhead in the section we want to edit. We have that section highlighted, so we know that that is the active section that we're working on. And now we need to adjust the rotation. We go up here to the top and we see rotation. It's the fourth one down. All you have to do is hover your cursor over the top. You'll get the double arrow symbol. When you do that, left click, hold down, and then move your mouse to the right and left, and you'll get this to happen. Then it's just a matter of tilting it until it is the angle that you want it to be, and I want mine to be right about there. And now you can see down in these bottom corners we have this black space. We have it on this side and this side because we tilted the image. So now we need to go to Scale, and we just do the same thing. Hover over the top, hold down the left click, and then we can just scale up. The other thing that you're going to need to do is probably slide your image from left to right and top to bottom. As you can see here, I have another camera in the image. So I want to make sure I have it slid over enough that that camera is hidden. But I also want to pick up some of that squirrel in the bottom corner because I know he hops back into the screen. I want to pull the image up so you can see more of the bottom of it. We just do a quick check to see if we like the way it is. Just kind of scan through the video real quick, see if it works for us. It does. Now, if you've done a lot of changes and then you're like, oh, I made so many changes, everything is like, I don't even know where to begin. All you need to do is go to this little hop back thing right here, and that's going to reset all of your stuff. It's going to reset all your parameters back to the original parameters. So if we go through here and we click these, it's going to reset everything back, and you can just start from the get-go again. If you don't have your effects panel show up, the easy way to do that is just to go underneath workspaces and then drop down to effects, and that will have your effects control panel pop up. And that is how you make modifications to your video if it's just a little bit crooked when you shoot it and you want to straighten that up so it's easier for viewers to watch. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Also, you can leave comments for other videos that you would like to see, and I can help you out understanding Adobe Premiere Pro. I know it's kind of a challenge when you're just starting out, and I'm happy to help you out. Thank you for staying to the end of the video. As promised, here is your gift. I'm going to show you how to make a guide and make it into a template. So we have the guide in place that we made. We are going to go to Save Guides as a Template. You need to name the guide and then hit OK. And now next time that you need the guide on your video, you just go here and click it, and you're going to have the guide. This is available for you. I have a link to it that you can download this for free. So if you don't want to go through all the rigmarole of doing this, then you can download the template for free.